Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 32, Chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples. Multiples. A multiple of a whole number is the product of the number and any other counting number. We can state some multiples of 2 and 11 as multiples of 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. And multiples of 11, 1 multiplied by 11 equal to 11, 2 multiplied by 11 equal to 22, 3 multiplied by 11 equal to 33. These are some multiple of 2 and 11. From the above discussion, we can observe these properties of multiples. First, every number is a multiple of 1. Second, the smallest multiple of any number other than 0 is the number itself. Third, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that 0. Fourth, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite.
Students, here we learn how find the prime factorization of any number. Example 160. So here first we write 160 here and divide this 160 by 2. First we check from 2 then 3, but 160 is divisible by 2, so we divide 160 by 2. We get 2 8 just 16 and write 0 as it is here. We get 80. Now again divide this 80 with 2. 2 4s are 8 and then 0. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 0. Again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. Again divide by 2. 2 5s are 10 and now 5 1s are 5. So the prime factor of 160 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, because 5 2's here and 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 5. So using this method we find out prime factorization of any number.
Now, least common multiple, LCM. If a number is a multiple of 2 or more numbers, it is called a common multiple of the numbers. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3, because if we multiply 2 into 3, so we get product 6, and if we multiply 3 into 2, we get product 6. So 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. The smallest number other than 0, that is a multiple of 2 or more counting numbers, is the least common multiple, LCM of the numbers. It is the least number which is divisible by all the given numbers. You can find the LCM of 2 or more numbers by different methods as follows. Students, here we discuss main 3 methods which help us to find the LCM of 2 or more numbers. Method number 1. By listing the multiples. Example, find the LCM of 3, 6 and 12. Solution. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and so other multiples of 12. Common multiples of 3, 6, and 12 are 24, 36, and other common multiples. The least common multiple LCM of 3, 6, and 12 is 24. Here we find LCM of 3, 6, and 12 by using listing the multiples method.
Student, this is a method number 1 to find LCM of any two or more numbers by listing the multiples. Example, find LCM of 6 and 9. So first, here we write multiples of 6 and 9 first, then we select common multiple of 6 and 9, and after that we select least common multiple of 6 and 9. Okay, so first we write multiples of 6 and 9. 6, multiple of 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, and other multiple of 6. Now multiple of 9. Multiples of 9 are 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, and other multiples of 9. So here we select common multiples of 6 and 9. Six and 9 are 18, 36, 54, and other multiples. We select least common multiple of 6 and 9. So here 18 is the least common multiple of 6 and 9. So the LCM of 6 and 9 equal to 18. Student, using this method we find out LCM of two or more numbers.
Method number 2, by prime factorization. Here we find the LCM of any two numbers by using prime factorization method. For example, find the LCM of 16 and 24. Solution, find the prime factorization of each number. Here first we find out the prime factorization of 16 and then 24. So factors of 16. First we divide this 16 by 2, we get 8 here, 2 8 is 16, and then we divide this 8 by 2, we get quotient 4, 2 4 is 8, and now we again divide this 4 by 2, 2 2 is 4. Here we get factors of 16. 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and multiply by 2. Here we get 4 2's. Now here we find factors of 24. So first we divide this 24 by 2. We get quotient 12. 12 2's are 24. And here now we divide this 12 by 2. We get 6 here. 2 6 are 12. And again we divide this 6 by 2, we get 2 3 are 6, 3 here. So the factors of 24 are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. Now here we multiply the common factors of the numbers. Multiply the common factors and the extra factors to get the LCM. LCM equal to, first we write common factors, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, and now we multiply the extra factors, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So when we multiply these all 2's and 3, we get product 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So here we learn how to find out the LCM of two or more numbers by using prime factorization method.
Now we discuss method number 2, by prime factorization. Example, find the LCM of 42 and 60. So here first we find the factors of 42 and 60. So factors of 42, divide this 42 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now divide this 21 by 3. 3 7s are 21 and divide this 7 by 7. 7 1s are 7. So factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. And now we find the factors of 60. We divide this 60 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Again divide this 30 by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10 and 15 2s are 30 also. Now divide by 3. This 15 divide by 3. 3 5s are 15 and this 5 divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. Now factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now first we write common multiples. We write here common factors. So the common factors are 2 and 3. 2 multiply by 3, and now we write extra factors, 7, 2 and 5. 7, 2 and 5. So these factors are known as common factors. And these factors are known as extra factors. Now multiply these all factors of 42 and 60, so we get LCM of 42 and 60. When you multiply these all factors, we get 420. We get product 420. So the LCM of 42 and 60 is 420.
Method number 3, by division method. Here we find the LCM of any two or more numbers by using division method. Example, find the LCM of 20, 28 and 40. So first we divide 20, 28 and 40 by 2. And we get 2 10s are 20, 14 2s are 28 and 22s are 40. Again we divide 10, 14 and 20 by 2. We get 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 2 10s are 20. Again we divide this 10 by 2. We get 5 right as it is here, 7 also as it is here, and 2 5s are 10. Now we divide these numbers by 5. 5 ones are 5, write 7 as it is here, and 5 ones are 5. And stop dividing when there is no further common factor except 1. Now find the product of the numbers in the left column and the last remainders. LCM of 20, 28 and 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. When we multiply these all numbers and we get product 280. So 280 is the LCM of 20, 28 and 40.
This is method number 3. Using this method, we find out the LCM of 2 or more numbers, and the method is by division method. So here the example is find LCM of 4, 16 and 20. Divide 4, 16 and 20 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 10s are 20. Now again divide 2, 8 and 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now again divide by 2. We write 1 as it is here and divide this 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4, and write 5 as it is here. Now again divide 1, 2 and 5 by 2. Write 1 as it is here, 2 1s are 2 and write 5 as it is here. Now divide by 5. Write 1 as it is here, write 1 as it is here, and 5 1s are 5. So the LCM of here we find the factors of 4, 16 and 20. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now LCM of 4, 16 and 20. When we multiply these all factors of 4, 16 and 20, we get product 80. So 80 is the LCM of 4, 16 and 20.
Here I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.